Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today we are gonna explore the elephant sanctuary. So the main reason most of the people actually come to Chiang Mai is to kind of visit the natural sanctuaries that we have in Chiang Mai for elephants. So we have a lot of sanctuaries here, but I have picked Pon, P-O-N, elephant sanctuary, which is actually a good ethical way of running the sanctuary here in Chiang Mai. So you can actually book this package in getyourguide.com or Klook as well. So it kind of costed me around like close to 5,000 rupees, which is again gonna be a worth of a money, because they're gonna take you from your drop and pick up from your hotel, take you to they also provide you lunch, and then they kind of take you to the waterfall, and you get a chance to feed the elephants, play with them, bathe them. A lot of stuff's packed, right? And it's going to be a day long, so make sure that you have enough energy, carry a lot of water, even though they have there, but you do need a lot of water to get yourself hydrated and explore the wildlife, right? And I'd also suggest that, again, it's for some of you all, it may seem like this is a little bit pricey, but for me it was more kind of being a part of the community and giving it back to those elephants who are there. And it's very difficult for them to kind of survive in this environment, because we need to support them, right? So that's one of the main reason why I kind of wanted to go and explore this sanctuary. And yeah, it's gonna be a day-long activity, and yeah, I'm gonna take you all with me. And it's I think it's already raining, so yeah, I need to suit up for that and then leave my room. So yeah, I'm in my room right now and gonna explore the sanctuary. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, this tour kind of costed me like close to 5k. If not, it will be like 4.8 without transfer. So I kind of picked both up and down transfer. So I could have actually saved some money there, but then I was like, I just wanted to have a relaxing time, because I've been traveling back to back, so I need this break, right? So I just want, at least I actually wanted the hassle-free life. So yeah, there you go. I'll probably keep you guys posted with how to kind of contact them. So I'll also put the link in the description, so you can directly contact them, right? Guys, right now the rain is so bad, like you're just kind of caught up in the rain. Ah, man, you're just drowning wet. So yeah, this is how I currently look like. so this is how I currently look like. This is what it is, man. So yeah, so this is the way to the rafting. It's crazy in here, guys. Just look at the surroundings, right? And there you go, that's me. Guys, just look at me, man. Kind of covered in water, drenched literally, trust me. So we are literally in a jungle right now. The path to this place is crazy. Oh, so there's a raft area. Oh man. Yeah, be careful, yeah. So guys, we gotta wait for like 10 minutes for the bamboo rafting guys to come in to kind of help us out. So till then we are waiting here. That's the rafting area, guys.
That's so cool.
Yeah, at least this is waterproof. I
was gonna say, yeah, I'm risking it with this.
Yeah.
Hopefully they will come out okay.
I had the similar cover. What happened is, it's good for you to put it the other way around. Well, I think it's fine.
Yeah,
because what happens is, the water kind of gets down, and the time you connect for the charger, right, it says there's water inside. It's good. I mean, this is better.
It's alright.
Yeah, it's alright. Yeah,
got double protection. I hope
it's good the way that you kind of put the phone, not the other way around. If not, it's gonna get clogged.
Yeah, because then and then you fold it.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, I think it'll be alright.
Yeah. I mean, you'll get no by end of the day. They kind of says why and what they used to do with the rafting before. So yeah, the old traditional technique. And if you are from Kerala, you know this is something common that you have. And there comes our bamboo. Oh wow. So they're gonna get the bamboo ready for us now. Where do we go? This one?
Okay, this one.
This one,
Okay, go do this way.
friend.
Yeah, this way. Yeah. Take a seat, please. Yes.
Sit.
Yeah.
See you guys. Oh, it's getting all wet. Oh, damn.
Just the three of us?
Yeah, just three of us.
Okay, good luck.
Oh my gosh, I don't have any memories.
Nagsama-sama sila sa
Yeah.
Is this your experience? Huwag kang dumalang dalaw. I can't swim.
You can't swim? Same here.
Okay, she's the only one who can swim.
Oh, she swim, huh?
I didn't hurt it.
Daytime, yeah. Definitely. So guys, we just finished our rafting and we are taking a quick rest right now.
Should be an Asian supplier. A lot warmer. It's 31 degrees. Is it? Yeah. It doesn't feel like it.
You guys didn't risk the phone, yeah?
Huh?
Oh, you have the phone.
Yeah.
Today rainy. Saturday no rainy. Yeah.
Yesterday no rain.
Rainy, yeah. Yeah, happy rainy coming here.
It's the baby!
See you. Oh, ready.
Female didn't have a tusk. It's different from African Thai. African Thai, both male and female, they have no tusk. Smaller body, yeah, is Thai elephant. You can sit here. You can sit here and feed.
Oh my God, Natasha. He's happy, right?
He's so happy. There's nothing.
No more, no more, no more.
Okay, thank you, yeah.
Thank you. The power of
Oh, guys, this is just amazing.
More than 18 elephants, yeah. We need to go walking. In each station they have 6 elephants, 5 elephants, 4 elephants. Yeah. And one more year, the baby will be born. Will be born in 1 year. Hey, I'm not. I can't say I'm not. Yeah. Do you want? You been there? Okay, you can go there. We shuffle.
Oh, pregnant.
Now one. Now one.
Oh.
Your bag.
Jenny.
Yes. Sit.
Is it okay if I take a picture? Beside.
Okay, thank you. So guys, we just fed the elephants. There you go.
Yeah, Mama. Mama Bumi.
Bumi.
Buso. Buman.
Buman.
Buma. Buso. Buger. Bumi. Only 8 years old. Only baby 9 months, about 10 months.
Oh,
No feeding food.
there you go.
Laki ano eh.
Oh.
She like ready. Ready with the lay down, with the body, with the cool down. Body.
But nothing, sorry. That is not.
This is me, but you can't get it.
Oh.
Hello, Buga.
No, I'm not.
Kasi yung nakalimutan ko.
As I'm not sure if you have seen that.
That's our dinner.
So guys, I hope you're really liking the video. So if you liked it, so if you're liking the video guys, so make sure you show that like by leaving actually a like, and hit the subscribe channel guys. Come on. I'll take it.
Okay, follow her, yeah. Follow me, yeah.
Oh, this is cut already?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. You follow Tutu, yeah. Follow Tutu. Mama, this one, now one you can let only Mama. Only
Okay.
one, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
I give her. Yeah, feed
you
her.
can feed her, yeah.
There you go. She's too busy here.
She's not interested in us.
Yeah.
Her name, Moyo.
Moyo.
Moyo. Baby, her name, Malik. Next patient inside.
Oh. She's too busy eating. Close.
She didn't want